Welcome back once again, guys. It's been a while actually. I'm sorry, and I hope you guys forgive me for that. I've been very busy and for that. So, but in today's video, there's something I want to show you guys about PayPal. As you can see, this is the mail I used for my PayPal registration. So you can see I've been receiving a lot of payments with this PayPal account. But today I just received this payment from this guy, and then PayPal sent me this message that a quick information is required on my account, that I need to provide some information on my account. If you guys have been using PayPal well, you know that when you start performing transactions on your account, like up to 9 to 10 transactions on your account, they have a bot that automatically pop up something like this. They will ask you to provide some information regarding your account. So I now have this information. Let me click on it and show you what it entails. So this is what the message is all about. I was told to provide the information before 19th of October, but before then I won't be able to send and withdraw funds from my account. So without wasting time, I will just log into my PayPal account and try as much as possible to provide the required information, and let's see how this goes. You guys actually know it can only end in two ways. Either they close my account permanently, or they restore my account. So but that's not a problem. Either ways, let's see how it goes. Yeah, so I just logged in into my PayPal account, and as shown I have a balance of 14.04 USD right here. So now this is the notification. So I'm just gonna click on see details to see what they're actually requesting for. So now let's wait for it. Okay. And if you guys could remember, I made mention of this in one of my videos that whenever I try linking a US bank account, my PayPal account, an error message will always pop up that they can't verify my identity. I think this is one of the causes of that. So now I'm just going to upload my photo ID and bank statements. Even though actually I'm kind of worried about this anyways, but I have no choice. I'll just have to, just upload and see what comes out of this. It's always the best thing to upload right here for your photo ID is your international passports. But at the moment I don't have that. I'm just going to upload other ID that I have on my bank statements. So, and as for now, these are the impacts of this restriction on my account. I can't use PayPal to make payments. I can't send. I can't withdraw. I can only receive money or payments, and I can refund money to customers. So, without taking your time, guys, I'm just going to upload my photo ID, and let's see how this goes. Okay. So, document type, national identity card. Let me just browse file. When I'm done with the uploading, I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, so now I'm done uploading the files, and I've gotten a mail from PayPal. Here's the mail that my information will be reviewed in 3 business days. Yeah, so I'm back, guys. In the first section of the video, I showed you guys where I uploaded my photo ID and bank statements for my account verification. So after that, I just tried. Yeah, before that, there was a notification here which I showed you guys earlier. If you watch the beginning of this video, you see the notification here. So after uploading my ID, I just refreshed and notification disappeared. So after that, I was just thinking within myself, like, is my account now okay, or what's wrong, or should I just wait for the 3 days that PayPal stated? So I just came up with an idea of just trying to use the fund in the account. So as shown right here, after uploading my ID and bank statements, It was after that I performed this transaction. I bought a gift card on CGM. Before I uploaded my ID, I have a balance of around 14 point something, 14.04 or something around that in my paper balance right here. So now you can see that I've used a total amount of 13.7 cents in my PayPal balance right now, which means my PayPal account is now restored. I can now continue using my PayPal account. So it's as easy as that. And I'm really happy for this, because whenever PayPal brings up notification that they require more information from you, it might only lead in two ways. And one of the first way that it might only lead to is restriction of your account. So but now I feel like I'm lucky and my account is now restored. So I'm really happy. So if you guys want to see, I mentioned that I use this my balance to purchase a gift card. So if you guys want to see how I the gift card which I purchased and how I redeemed it on CGN, kindly wait for the next video which I will upload on this channel. So if you guys find this video interesting and helpful, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified when the next video is uploaded on this channel. So thank you once again and bye guys.